Konnichiwa, people of the future. Today I'm going to do another video, and in this video I'm going to try to burp for 3 minutes non-stop. Someone commented and said for 5 minutes, but that two reasons I'm not going to do it for 5 minutes. One, because it makes me feel sick, and two, because like I've already tried it, but but I can't upload videos to YouTube more than 5 minutes for some reason. I think you have to be a YouTube partner to do that. So I'm just going to... Okay, so wait a sec. Okay. So starting 3. Wait, I'll start doing it in 3, 2, 1. Now. I've already done this like 2 times or 3 times, so I feel really sick. Sorry guys, I'm really sick. 1 minute stop. I just have to rest for a bit. Two minutes up. 1 more minute. But 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, so I just did it for 3 minutes, but yeah, if you guys have any other video ideas, then just comment below, and I will probably do it because I'm low on ideas. But see you in the next video, guys. Bye.